Hello friends, this is Dr. Keyur Buch, Consultant Orthopaedic Surgeon, Ahmedabad EpicHospital, previously in UK and USA. અને આજે આપણે વાત કરીશું પ્રીતિબેન સાથે. She is only 47 years young, very active lady, and bilateral both side knee pain, arthritis. There was previous injury, but recently 1.5 years the right knee pain and left knee pain also got worse. And we examined her, we did proper investigations including MRI scan of the knee, and then we offered her the treatment which allows her to save her natural knees for a number of years. And in her case, because the arthritis grade was such that we could actually treat her without any major knee surgery, and we did advanced platelet-rich plasma with what is known as a gel viscosupplementation injection just a few days ago, and she's feeling much better. So over to you, Pritiben, how you are feeling and your experience.
Okay, my feeling is very good right now. Before I have because when we walk, so like that, my knee is very painful. But after injection, we get the feelings very better. Now I walk when we like the stairs, I have to go up. So before we can't get it to stair, but now I go to straight to like the all stairs and down, up and down, everything. So both સારું છે અત્યારે મારું feelings. Okay, now after that like the doctor, I came to Dr. Keyur sir, and after I feelings very much better. So I came from the USA, but I don't have to time, but the doctors give to very treat to me right now. And I suggest to everyone, if you came like anywhere to come, so meet to Dr. Keyur Buch, because he's a very nice person and he treat the very good treatment. Thank you.